Check out this Travelpro Maxlite 5 luggage. Now this is fantastic luggage and I've used it on many trips, so it's a little worn out at the moment, but that just shows you how sturdy this luggage actually is. And I love the wheels underneath that rotate 360 degrees so you can use it however you need to. You can walk along just having it upright, or you can, roll it along by having it on the side. So there are so many pockets in this luggage. So let's open this up and see how this looks. Now it is such a wide range that you can place so many things in all of these pockets. And up here you could put like some underwear or socks. Or things that you just need to see while you are using a pocket within this piece of luggage. And I love the mesh color of it. It's just a great pocket. Now there's another pocket down here that you can put other tiny things in. You can put like your toiletries in there as well. But then we have so much space inside of this luggage. You can put all your clothes in here. You can put jackets or sweatshirts even. There's just so much space inside this piece of luggage. Now there are other pockets on the outside too. So you can also include other things in here, maybe some documents perhaps, or even some blouses or tiny shirts as well. And it really helps just to have extra pockets ready to go with this piece of luggage. Now, as I said, it rotates 360 degrees, which is fantastic. And you could even have a little tag back here that with your name on it, just to make sure that is your piece of luggage whenever it comes out of like the airplane's storage facility. Now there's a little bar on top that you can pull up and pull out. So there are several different levels that you can use for it. But this is just a great way to carry your luggage around. This is a great piece of luggage for any type of travel. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.